Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Naturalhub. Today, we've got a fantastic DIY hair mask that's going to breathe new life into your locks, leaving them revitalized and shining like never before. If you're ready to give your hair some love, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more natural beauty tips. Let's dive in. DIY hair mask for revitalized and shiny hair. For this nourishing hair mask, you'll need 2 ripe bananas, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 egg. Each ingredient in this mask plays a crucial role in bringing vitality and shine to your hair. Bananas are rich in potassium and vitamins, promoting hair elasticity. Coconut oil deeply moisturizes and conditions, honey adds a natural shine, and the egg provides protein to strengthen your strands. Preparation: grab a blender and toss in 2 ripe bananas, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and crack in 1 egg. Blend everything together until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. Application: now that our mask is ready, apply it to damp, detangled hair. Make sure to cover your hair from roots to ends, paying extra attention to the tips. Once applied, wrap your hair in a shower cap or a warm towel. Leave the mask on for about 30-45 minutes. This is your time to relax. Maybe read a book or enjoy your favorite podcast. Rinse off. After the designated time, hop in the shower and rinse off the mask with lukewarm water. You might need to shampoo and condition as usual to ensure all residues are gone. You've just treated your hair to a spa day at home. Feel the softness, notice the shine. This DIY hair mask is a game changer. Use it once a week for optimal results.